Looking for a typewriter ribbon that delivers sharp, consistent black ink every time? The Porelon Universal Twin Spool Compatible Nylon Typewriter Ribbon offers vivid, bold impressions that won't fade, even under bright light. It's designed as the perfect replacement for original ribbons from trusted brands like Adler, Brother, Olivetti, Olympia, Royal, Sears, Silver Reed, Smith Corona, and Swintec. When my kids discovered an old typewriter at home, the ribbon was completely worn out, making the machine feel lifeless. Installing the Porelon ribbon was quick and hassle-free. Suddenly, the typewriter sprang back to life. For 2 weeks now, my kids have been typing nonstop, enjoying crisp, dark letters with every keystroke. It brought back the joy of vintage typing effortlessly. What makes this ribbon stand out is its exceptional light fastness. That means your typed pages won't fade or blur over time, preserving every word clearly. Plus, it's engineered to work flawlessly with original equipment from multiple manufacturers. You get dependable performance without worrying about compatibility or print quality issues. Porelon isn't just any brand. They specialize in precision inking products and elastomers built for durability across various industries. Their engineering-driven approach ensures you receive a ribbon made to exact specifications, delivering consistent, professional results every time you type. If you're restoring a classic typewriter or just need a reliable replacement ribbon, this twin spool nylon ribbon is worth checking out. It's affordable, simple to install, and produces sharp, professional quality impressions that last. Whether for work, hobbies, or school projects, it breathes new life into your vintage machine without any fuss. If that's you, someone who values quality, reliability, and ease, the Porelon Universal Twin Spool Nylon Ribbon fits the bill perfectly. It's a straightforward solution compatible with a wide range of vintage typewriters, keeping your machine running smoothly and your documents looking crisp. Don't settle for faded or inconsistent ink that ruins your typing experience. Upgrade your typewriter with Porelon's compatible ribbon and enjoy sharp, durable prints on every page. Try it when you're ready to bring your classic typewriter back to full strength and enjoy typing like never before.